Hi, I'm Laura of Laurel's Originals. Thank you for joining me for this short video on where I get my design inspirations for painting canvas rugs. And if you'd like more information about making canvas rugs, sign up for my email for Canvas Rug Crafters. You'll find the link for the sign up in the description below. Thank you. Good morning. This is Laurel at Laurel's Originals, and this is a part of my art studio, the gallery. And here's my view from my studio. And I'm making a short video because a lot of people ask me what inspires me. And I'm a very visual person. I enjoy going on to Pinterest and online, but I also have used a lot of magazines and books, calendars. Anything can be a source of inspiration. This is a beautiful calendar of mandalas, and I have this one out because it's been on my wish list for a long time, and because I do make round rugs. Someday this will go onto the table. And this is a beautiful calendar a friend gave to me with it's like quilts of birds, and I don't know, I just like to see different things from magazines, that even just the colors, to see a combination of colors. I love this, the deep orange and how it gradiates up into a yellow and that pop of blue. I mean, just to see the combination of colors can be very inspiring. This is a page that came from a magazine, Prince. And I actually was really inspired by this banana tree because I live in the tropics and people really love to see, tropical plants and the palm tree. And so this is a rug that I've actually made of the banana tree. And this is a magazine that was for designs for rugs. Okay, rug designs. And this swirly design really caught my imagination. In this photograph, you can see it's a very large design, but I was really captured just by the movement and the colors. And so I created a rug that looked similar to this design. This was from a magazine, and this is a piece of material that was used as on a wall. And I really love the colors and the design. So I made a rug that looks like this. And this was also material. And I was just fascinated with these shapes and designs. And I go, I can make a stamps. So I made several stamps that from that design. These are 3 different stamps that I made, and I've made several rugs with these stamps. I'm a very tactile person, so even if I see something beautiful online, I like to print it out. And so, it uses a lot of ink, but especially I did replicate this design on a rug, on a wall hanging, and it's good to have a hard copy in front of you to refer to. And a woman actually suggested I make a rug that looks like this design. Was an actual basket with cowrie shells on it, and it's become one of my most popular designs, the cowrie shell design. Hi, thank you for joining me for this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more information about making canvas rugs, sign up for my email for Canvas Rug Crafters. You'll find the link below. And also there is a playlist for do-it-yourself canvas rugs that has many more videos on how we make canvas rugs. Thank you. Bye-bye.